Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Synchrony for insurance-related payment plans step by step clearly. Visit the Synchrony website to begin the registration process. Locate the login or register option on the home page. Click on the register button to start creating your account. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Provide any additional requested information, such as your mailing address or social security number. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy provided by Synchrony. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit or Create Account button to complete your registration. An email confirmation will be sent to the address you provided. Access your email to find the confirmation message from Synchrony. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Synchrony website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Navigate to the insurance-related payment plans section. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to complete the application for the payment plan. Provide any necessary documentation or information as required. Review your application before submitting it for approval. Submit your application and await confirmation from Synchrony. Check back regularly for updates on your application status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.